Right. How's it going?
All right. Sun's nearly out.
Nearly, yes. Yeah. Bless not eBay, Facebook. Lost all my listings they have.
Oh,
Redo
nice.
them all. Deep joy.
Yeah.
Buy a motorbike.
Guess what?
But
It's going.
yeah.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
She's coming to pick the car up, so petrol pump's going.
Yeah. Ideal.
So, we got a bit of a project. You glad I volunteered us for this?
Oh yeah, I like a challenge. Wow.
So we're in the bus or the coach at Checker Flag. It's been sat here for so many years as a bit of a storage room, so to speak. So the idea is to tidy it out, clean it up, and one reason we're doing that and getting it ready for the 10th year anniversary, August bank holiday, down here at the Checker Flag. But yeah, should be interesting, see what we find in here. Oh well, round one.
Sorry?
We can get to the back of the bus now. So had a bit of a clear out, got rid of some stuff. So just got to organise it, build some racks at the bottom, put some bike parts in. So there'll be some cheap bike parts to sell soon, so look out for that. But yeah, end of round one. Round two at the bus. Come on up.
Round two at the bus. Round two at the bus.
So we're going to try and clear all the metal stuff out. I think the idea is to keep these 4 seats at the front. We're not sure yet. Then we've got to get all this cleared here. Right down the bottom, got to build some racks to put some bike parts in. And then roughly where that white cabinet is, we're going to put a temporary wall across, so then that's storage behind. We think there's going to be a bit of a vlogging area there. A biker's wall, which should have pictures of people that come down here. And a couple of extra seats for the audience. That's the plan.